China has reported economic growth of 4% in the final quarter of last year, slightly above the market's pessimistic expectations. But it sees slowdown for the third straight quarter as Beijing continues to struggle with a weak property market as well as supply bottlenecks. Kim Sang-min reports.
China's economy saw a weak finish to 2021, extending its slowdown in the final quarter. According to China's National Bureau of Statistics on Monday, the country's economic growth in the fourth quarter of last year further slowed to 4%. That follows the slowdown in the previous two quarters, giving the country an annual GDP growth of 8.1%, mainly from the huge growth in the first quarter, which came due to the base effect. That annual figure was still above the modest goal of above 6% previously set by the Chinese government. The seemingly disappointing Q4 figure, however, was higher than the market expectations, which were below 4%. Bloomberg had forecast China's Q4 GDP to grow 3.5% and 8% for 2021. The slowdown was widely expected as the country struggled with both internal and external headwinds. Experts say the Chinese economy was dragged down by a weaker property market amid fallout from the Evergrande crisis as Beijing tightened its grip on debt in the property sector. Strict COVID-19 measures, surging prices of raw materials, and global supply bottlenecks also put a strain on China's growth engine. And the grim outlook for the country continues into the new year. Citing the property market slowdown as the biggest threat in the near term, U.S. investment bank J.P. Morgan earlier projected the country's economy will grow 4.9% in 2022. Goldman Sachs revised down its 2022 growth forecast to 4.3% based on the ongoing pandemic. Kim Sang-min, Arirang News.